This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're here at Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival. We brought the car, and so we're going to take you through some of the show. We're going to kind of maybe show you some reactions of people to the car, and anyway, enjoy. Okay guys, well, here we are. Gonna give you a show around the car. Unfortunately, I lost most of my video of the Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival, so apologize for that. We'll show you some pictures, show you a little bit of the aftermath, which didn't go so well. So hope you enjoy this short video. So while we're at the show, I went over to my friends over at Gloop. I'll leave a link in the description for their website. Basically, if you need adhesives for most of your 3D prints, go ahead and contact them. But the last day of the show, we got to put on a Mr. Fusion onto our McLaren. So some of you will get that, some may not. Another great event was the quiz show hosted by my buddy Joel Telling. Also David Tobin, who actually got me to go. It was great. It was an event for a charity. I'll put a link down in the description on that link so you can go, you know, give a few bucks if you can to their charity. But it was a lot of fun. We had a gas. We basically were just heckling Joel most of the time. But a big congrats to the winners. They got some free printers, some stuff from Spark Fund, and then also a gift bag from Polymakers. So we had a little snafu unloading the car. While we were jacking up the trailer, the car rolled over its blocks and went forward and smashed into a bunch of basically furniture blankets. So luckily we didn't hurt Willie B's trailer. A big thank you to him again for loaning it to us. But yeah, the whole front bumper basically shattered. So, ouch. And just like that, with a little gloop and some of the plastic staples, I was able to reconstruct the front end. Another win for 3D printing. Yeah, so the 3D prints were, you know, basically brittle, and so they basically exploded when they hit the furniture blankets. But you can see that we were able to reconstruct the front bumper pretty quickly, so the car is back together. Anyway, thanks for watching this, guys. Again, sorry about losing the video for the Rocky Mountain RepRap Festival, but there are a lot of YouTube videos on the festival itself, so I will let you go there and check out what we saw. Anyway, take care. We'll see you next time.